This is the USB connector that I bought from GearBest. As you can see, it is a Type C, and on the other side, let's see, you can see how blue it is. So it's USB 3.1. You can see that it's corded, very flexible, miniature, just what I needed, because whenever you travel, you don't want to carry this thing around with you. It can be very big and bulky and definitely not fit well in your bag. So with that idea, I wanted to use it for this. As you can see, it's bent quite easily. Like, there is no difficulty doing this. It's very, quite comfortable. And this is what I was going for. Very nice, easy to pack, bring with you. I also compared the charging speed with this one and the original cable. Of course, I used this from Huawei. So no matter what, even when I used this cable instead of the original cable, the speed it needed, like the amount of time that was necessary to charge the phone is the same according to the phone manager. So no problems there. It's only that when you connect it to the PC, it will take longer, but that is to be expected. So I am very satisfied with this purchase.